Alam niyo ba na kahit tapos na ang purpose mo dito sa mundo, pero humiling ka kay God na dagdagan yung buhay mo, ay maaari niyang i-grant yung prayers mo? So, ito ay nangyari kay King Hezekiah. So, si King Hezekiah ay king ng Judah. So, nung 25 years old siya naging king and nag-reign siya sa Jerusalem in 29 years. Tapos sabi dito, and he did that which was right in the sight of the Lord, according to all that David his father did. So si King Hezekiah ay isang mabait na tao. Tapos, nung time na kukunin na siya ni God, ito yung nangyari. Basahin natin. So sabi ni God sa 2 Kings chapter 20, verse 1. Sabi doon, in those days was Hezekiah sick unto death. And the prophet Isaiah the son of Amos came to him, and said unto him, Thus saith the Lord, Set thine house in order, for thou shalt die and not live. Pero si King Hezekiah gusto pa niyang mabuhay, kaya nagpray siya kay God. Sabi niya sa verse 3, I beseech thee, O Lord, remember now how I have walked before thee in truth, and with a perfect heart, and have done that which is good in thy sight. And Hezekiah wept sore. Tapos, sabi ni God, nagbago yung isip niya. Sa verse 5, sabi doon, Turn again and tell Hezekiah, the captain of my people, Thus said the Lord, the God of David thy father, I have heard thy prayer, I have seen thy tears. Behold, I will heal thee. On the third day thou shalt go up unto the house of the Lord. And sa verse 6, And I will add unto thy days 15 years, and I will deliver thee and this city out of the hand of the king of Assyria, and I will defend this city of mine, and I will defend this city for my own sake, and for my servant David's sake. So, di ba, pinagbigyan niya si King Hezekiah kahit na sinabi na niya kay Prophet Isaiah na mamamatay na siya. And dahil umiyak ng umiyak si King Hezekiah and nagpray siya kay God, and sabi niya mabait naman siyang tao, and maganda naman yung mga ginawa niya sa buhay niya, pinakinggan siya ni God. O, di ba? Very nice story. Thank you po for watching. God bless you. God bless us po.